Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You're ready to record now. Open the chat and position your phone or headset. Once the chat is open, tap the microphone icon to begin. If you want a quick note, press and hold. If you need hands-free, swipe up to lock recording. Make sure your mic permission is granted in settings so Telegram can capture audio. Speak clearly and keep the phone 6-12 inches away for balanced volume. This setup reduces background noise and prevents muffled sound as you start. Once recording, monitor the waveform and listen to environmental noise. Adjust position if needed. If you pressed and held, you can slide to cancel before releasing to discard a bad take. When locked, you can pause or stop by tapping the stop button, then preview before sending if you want. Make sure to watch the mic input level. If it clips, move farther from the mic. Use a headset or external mic for clearer audio, and once done, tap send to deliver the message. To finish, preview the clip if you locked recording, then tap send. If you need to attach it to a reply, use reply before sending so context stays clear. If the message doesn't record or send, first check Telegram's microphone permission and network connection, then restart the app. If problems persist, reboot the device or try an external mic. One key tip: if audio is too quiet or noisy, move to a quieter spot and re-record. This fixes most quality issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.